sit next to me. We will make a deal together, kind of improvisation.
Oh,
It would be great.
We see what you say.
Introduction in English because, as you read in the email, we have 10 Slovenian International Film Festival and one guest festival from Italy, Lago Film Fest, so we welcome our colleagues from Italy as well. And of course, welcome to all of you on behalf of FET Ljubljana Short Film Festival and on behalf of Motovila. Ines will add some words on behalf of Motovila later. And of course, a very warm welcome to Jean Perret, who was kind enough to respond to our invitation to join us for 2 days here in Ljubljana for FET Film Festival and to share with us his, I would say, probably immense knowledge of film industry, of film festivals, and for all who is not speaking tomorrow at the round table at Kinoteca, everyone is invited. Tomorrow's event is open for everyone. Again, we are addressing the same topics, so festival identity and also collaboration between festivals, and we will have Jean's presentation at the beginning. Then we will have a short presentation of the festivals participating, and then of course debate, hopefully a long and fruitful debate with everyone.
We are Motovila Institute. This is a center for promoting cooperation in cultural and creative sectors, and we are also known as Creative Europe Desk. We are promoting both programs, culture and media program, and we are really glad that we are organizing this event together with FIC and that Jean could join us, because we are addressing an important topic, important change that is going to happen within the support for festivals, in the festivals scheme. So the EU is trying to change this scheme in a way that festival will not gain support anymore, or at least they'll have, you could apply only for support for one festival, or you can apply as an umbrella festival or a network of festivals. So we are trying to, we will talk about it tomorrow, more about it, or maybe even today if there will be a chance. So thank you all for coming, and if you have any questions, and also if you have any questions, just raise your hands. Also questions about the media program, and otherwise hope we will see you tomorrow as well.
And that's why I'm here today, because of, yeah, you could say maybe one word, why I'm here. So I'm wondering what the hell I'm doing here.
Yeah, in ICLA they have this festival identity program, and it's like 15 or 20 festivals from all around Europe. And Jean was having a presentation, and we were all really, let's say, very satisfied with this workshop or conversation. So for me it was the first idea that it would be great to share also your thoughts here in Slovenia with our